Hello, my name is Riawna Capri, and today I'm going to show you how to create that perfect 90s blowout utilizing T3's AireBrush Duo. The AireBrush Duo comes with two attachments, the paddle brush and the round brush, and today I'm going to use the round brush to recreate this look. All right, so I have hair on the finer side, a little maybe medium texture, not too much density, but definitely have a very slight wave. When I like to start my blowouts, I like to section out my hairline and start with my hairline first. Bringing out any bangs, curtain bangs, face shape, layering you got, get all those bad boys out because that's the first thing everyone's gonna see, so it's the first thing that should get done. For my settings, what I like to use is I like to use the speed setting at about a 2 or a 3, depending how quick I want to get it done, and keep my heat setting on about a 2 or a 3, keeping it on the lower side so that way I can maintain the health of my hair. For the volume booster, I'm going to turn it on so I can get the maximum volume possible. I'm going to start by flipping out my sides because I really like that 70s vibe these days. So I'm going to start by getting those nice and out, focusing on the sides first and then coming through to the top and smoothing out my bang. When I want to make my style last and my shape last, I like to hit the cool shot button so it'll cool down everything I just heated up and lock it into shape. What I love about this brush is that the tension is nice and strong and the bristles are flexible, so you can really scrape all the way down to the root and really get in there and lock in that texture. So after you have your hairline done, you can then take pins if needed, set your bangs into place, lock that in, and then work on the back. I'm going to start from the bottom up. Again, my hair is fine, so I don't have to take very tiny sections, but the thicker your hair, the smaller the section it should be. I'm going to take about this much, clip it up, and start blowing. So when I'm blowing out my underneath, I really just want to smooth it and give a little bend at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do, is just swoop down and twist at the end to give a nice little bend. On to the next section, section 1, section 2, and I like to save the top for last. Again, when I'm blowing, I'm going to smooth and twist so I can get a little more of that blowout effect. Another thing I'm doing is I'm blowing everything forward. Instead of blowing everything back, I'm blowing everything forward so I can have a little more of that shaggy do right around my face. All right, and now for the top section, save the best for last. Now for this section, I like to work my way back to front and take it section by section and really try to lift at the root to gain volume. I like to use my opposite hand to catch my exact section so I can just make sure I'm blowing everything that's only left. And when everything feels pretty dry up top, I'm going to then finalize it with bringing everything forward to maintain that forward style. The even air distribution makes it super fast to create that perfect little blowout. Now, for extra bounce, body, and lift, I like to twist it up like so, grab a clip, and lock it into place so I can get extra volume. Now for my last piece, I'm actually going to bring all of this forward while I'm blow drying so I can get maximum volume again for when it all goes back. Okay, having everything forward, 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 lift, lift, lift. Let's take out our clip here. Down, back up. Woo, hello. There's absolutely no volume product in my hair whatsoever, just a little leave-in detangler, that's it. And all the volume came from this guy right here.